been waiting to film this video for a long time. So we are officially 40 days out. That was 400. We're officially 40 days out from when we leave Arizona, and we are going to be full-time traveling and heading out to Puerto Rico. So we've been garnering stuff. We've been getting clothes and shoes and swimming suits. It's crazy! So we've been getting everything ready. We've been getting new snorkels, new swimsuits, new clothes, new shoes, and everything, but is it going to fit? Is it going to fit in a backpack and a suitcase or 2 suitcases? I have no idea. So welcome to our practice packing video. We're gonna run around the house and go and grab everything, and we're gonna see if it fits. So come along with us. Let's go get some stuff. All right, and then we'll get 1 pair of jeans, and boom, ready.
Yeah.
Next room.
Not me.
We're gonna do 2 jammies for him. And so just pick the place of the jammies. No matter which one, this is just gonna put your hop down. Okay, so we're gonna get 2 jammies, your 2 socks, your underwear. Okay, so I'll show you what we have so far. This is not all the little bitty tiny things. Like I did get my makeup, but even some of the hair accessories and all that kind of stuff, that'll all be in like a little bitty baggie. But this is most of the stuff that we have so far. So we'll turn around and I'll show you what we have laid out here.
So this line of clothes right here is mine. This line of clothes is Emmy's. This line of clothes is Percy's, and this line of clothes is Kat's. And then it looks like this is Mommy's and Daddy's stuff, and this is just stuff that we are going to bring world clean. That's not clothes.
My pile of things is right here at the moment.
Right, thank you, Emmy. You got your pouch. So we got these Amazon Essentials Kids Packable coats that are very thin and lightweight, but very warm, and they all pack down to a small little bitty container like this. So we are planning on staying in warm countries, but in the rare event that it's cold and it's windy and you want something warm, at least we will have this. So it's not as cute as a hoodie, but it's a lot more functional because it's actually warm. So let's pack all these up here. Only took 10 minutes.
Seems like a lot less. I don't know what it will fit in. I'm hoping like 1 of the checked bags and 1 carry-on. We'll see. But it all kind of comes down to the non-clothing stuff. We'll see how heavy that is and how bulky it ends up being. But the clothes doesn't seem too bad.
So one of the things that we've been using for the past couple years as we travel are these mesh e-bags. So there's on Amazon and online, there's all different kinds of these packing travel cubes. But the particular brand that we've been using is called e-bags, and I'll have everything linked down below. And this is all of Kai's clothes that we're able to fit in this one large e-bag here. And there's plenty more space in it, but there it is, just like that. So we rolled it all, and that is the large size e-bag right here. And then here are Amy's clothes here and this one. And what's fun is you can get them in all different colors. So we have pink, blue, red. I think we even have some black ones. And so it just kind of helps differentiate a little bit between whose items is who. And it packs so nicely, and it keeps it very organized.
And look.
And look, you did it. There's another one. Give me a high five. Nicely done. Give me a high five. Nicely done. These are my packers. And something else that I found recently that we've just started using, which I'm in love with, are these clear packing containers here. They're super cheap. They come in a pack of 6. So I have 3 of them here. There's a larger size one, which is going to be, I think, for our toiletries. And this one we have our electronics in here. So they have all different kinds of electronic containers that you can roll them in, but they just seem so complicated. And really, I know what all of our different containers are, so we've actually been practicing using this for about a month now, and I love it. It's no problem to reach in there and to find exactly which cord we're looking for. And so here I've got, this is gonna be our little sewing kit, and I might even put like our first aid kit in here, and like our nail clippers, and the small little things in this one, and then this one's all my makeup right here. So I am loving these, so we're gonna see if it all fits. Here we go.
So, how much does this weigh? Basically, all of our clothes, minus shoes, in about 6 e-bags. 7? Something like that.
Yeah, so this ends up being it's just most of the clothes. We haven't gotten shoes, and then all the last minute stuff here. Camera, but we haven't even touched our bags yet. We haven't done our backpacks.
And that's almost 50 pounds. Right there.
That's good.
Well, there's one.
Then I'm trying.
So, what do you think?
So, let's get the other big suitcase.
Definitely gonna be 2 suitcases.
Can I put this in there?
No, Chrissy, that doesn't go in there.
Percy, go put it in your backpack.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got it all into these 2 big bags. Both of our travel backpacks, all the children's backpacks. We got all that stuff that was on the floor into these bags. The big suitcases behind me, between the 2 of them, currently are about 100 pounds. One of them is 60 pounds, the other is 40. Average it out, they're at capacity if we can rearrange the stuff. Our bags are pretty full because we stuck a giant e-bag in each of them. So we're kind of thinking, because we got about 90% of the stuff that we're bringing, that knowing that there's still a little bit more, that we're probably going to have a carry-on bag.
Which, how are we gonna end up being this one?
Right here, but I don't think they can see that.
Okay, very good.
But yeah, just a normal carry-on bag that you can stick overhead so that we can disperse the stuff that's in there.
Probably doing this.
So that's kind of what we're thinking at the moment.
It's feelings. It's kind of depressing and it's super exciting. Depressing being, I was thinking that we didn't have as much stuff, and so seeing all of it and realizing we need another suitcase, and now we need another carry-on suitcase, that kind of makes you feel like it's a lot of stuff. But then again, it's also exciting because you're bringing every single thing that you love in the world. It is fitting in this minute amount of stuff, and this is for 6 people. So keep that in mind. It's for 6 people, so I need to keep that in mind. It's okay. So each of the kids each have some of their stuff in their bags. Not very much. Like they can still fit a couple little more toys and like their blankets and stuff. But overall, not too bad. So I think this is really putting into perspective for me as I'm planning and buying everybody's clothes to try to keep it as small as possible because we're already completely maxing out capacity. So another thing we're thinking about is also transportation. Once we get to our destination and we're taking a taxi or we're taking an Uber or a rental car, what's gonna fit? And, you know, we're gonna have to take 2 cars because we have all of this plus at least 2 car seats, if not 3, plus some sort of booster seat, and then maybe even our stroller. So we're trying to decide, you know, transporting all of this to our Airbnb, can we even do it? So I think this has been really helpful just to try to lay it all out and see
It's eye-opening. It's definitely eye-opening. It's good to know that yes, we can get it into the suitcases and backpacks that we have, but it's also like we gotta be very careful not to
overpack.
Yeah, put the minimalist in our name.
Keep it minimal. All right. Well, thank you for watching this. Thank you for watching us. I think this will kind of wrap up that video as we have wrapped up all of our belongings so far. So now is not the fun part. We're gonna have to go put it all away because we're still 40 days out from officially leaving Arizona and heading out for full-time travel. So as we go put all this stuff away, we'll be deciding again, are we actually going to be bringing this with us? Stay tuned, we'll show you our final packing list and all of our stuff, if we can squeeze it all in our suitcases. Thank you for watching, we'll see you next time. Bye!